break us apart. I tried to explain all the painful things you're gonna do to them, but, well, I think they're masochists. Enjoy!
Now, Robin.
Now, boys, just because Batsy's gonna beat you into a sort of vaguely sentient state doesn't mean you shouldn't put up a fight. I want him all blood-stained when he rescues me. Your blood, I mean. It'll look great on the suit! Oh, he's got one already!
He's open!
You won't be spinning a book deal out of that performance. Look,
Batman strikes, I need to have his back. Time to find a high vantage point.
Dumber, slower, twice as terrified, 4 times as breakable. You know that, right? Tell me you do.
Over here! He'll get away!
Is Robin here? Oh, kill that interfering little spring third-wheel brat. Robin. He doesn't love you. I'll cut off your limbs until you actually fit.
What are you standing around for? Get in there and help those idiots out!
You heard Harley. Find Batman and kill him. Not a problem. You hear that, Bat Freak? We're coming to get you.
My boss with hands on, not afraid to torture you. Look, this Harley chick, she broke in here.
I need to find a vantage point up high. Then I can cover Robin when he strikes.
I can tell. I bet she just flourished with someone telling her who to kidnap, who to torture, and...
It'll be quicker if we work together to take down the minigunner.
Whose side is she on?
There goes another one! You try and act like you don't care, but then you go into a sweet thing like feeding, choking, and torturing all these idiots just to rescue me. Oh, Bats, you're being cruel. You're scaring them. You're hurting them. I love it.
That's all of them. Time to go get Miss Bell.